Hello everyone! It's my first time to use Thieves Household Cleaner at gagawa tayo ng basic DIY at tatry ko linisin ang aming microwave. So let's start! We'll be using Thieves Household Cleaner, your preferred essential oil, mine is citrus fresh, spray bottle, distilled water. Alright, simulan na natin. Okay, so buksan na natin tong Thieves Household Cleaner. It's my first time to use this. Again, maraming gamit ito. Okay, then cup full only. Ibig sabihin po nun, punuin natin yan, 1 cup full. Yan. Pagkatapos, ayan po ang cup full. At lalagyan natin sa spray bottle. Ayan. So, ang next po natin ay gagamitin natin yung preferred essential oil. Yung akin po ito ay citrus fresh. 4 to 5 drops. Huwag po nating i-shake, swirl lang, and then we'll put water. So, ayan, di ba? Very basic, tapos na po ang ating DIY. So, let's try it out. Oh my God! Oh my God!
Houston, we have a problem.
Hindi pala bukas. So, let's clean.
One eternity later.
At buksan na natin. Tada! So, nawala yung mga kalakalawang at dumi-dumi. So far, I'm impressed. Next time, I will use 2 cups. Medyo bitin kasi yung isa lang. I will use this more often and finally switch to toxic-free products. Drop me a message if you want to learn more about Thieves product. Thank you for watching!